Okay, so this one, the tutorial I record. So I delete first. Okay, you have your torch here. Okay, just reposition your toes and make it in your hand. You can open your player and put it in your hand here. So do adjustment, and then you right click to add the light to your hand. Okay, so just right click light, and then we're using the point light. Okay, so we can reposition your point light. So here is a reposition, and I put the intensity to 0. So 1 and the rotation until you think comfortable with, and then the range here. So this one you have the light dimmers coding. So you just drag and drop your light, drag and put it here. So your light dimming. So discrete red now. This one I make it 0.1, and then attach your torchlight here. Then you game object here. You select your spheres. Okay, so make it as a parent set here. For your sphere, okay, attach the collect light script to here. Okay, and then for your light is referring to this torchlight. Okay, so you can duplicate this one to many. Okay, so now when you do collection, okay, so now you can see your light, no lighting here. So once you collect, okay, so make sure you have triggers here. Check the trigger buttons here, because we're using on trigger enter. So once we trigger enter, so okay, you can collect your item and your light is become increasing already lah. Okay, so this is the tutorial.